analysis of Dr. Dongoto's recent and past controversies, including clarification that Dr. Dongoto did not corrupt cooperative money and that Nansana TV may have been created or used to target him politically. The documents and social media posts present two major storylines involving former Aru County MP Dr. Samuel Dongoto, recent political controversy surrounding the Gulu Bobi Wine incident, and older social media driven corruption allegations. Now, here is a clean and corrected narrative. Recent political controversy, Gulu violence, and Bobi Wine, December 2025. The recent online discussion revolves around conflicting statements about an incident in Gulu involving opposition leader Bobi Wine. Dr. To's own post on X show him condemning the violence and warning about the dangerous militarization of politics in Uganda. He expresses concern about the direction in which democracy is heading. A few days earlier, he also clarified that he never made any comments celebrating the blockade of Bobi Wine and questioned why some pages were spreading such false information. However, Nansana TV made a post claiming that Otto was jubilant over the violence against Bobi Wine. This directly contradicts his own public statements, in which he dissociated himself completely from such sentiments. This mismatch strongly suggests that the Nansana TV post was either misinformation or deliberate political framing designed to portray him negatively. Legal and financial matters. PPDA protest and cooperative funds allegations. A current PPDA protest, December 2025. Dr. To's law firm, Odonga and Company Advocate, submitted a formal protest concerning a Uganda shilling 90 million contract awarded to Odonga Construction Company Limited for the renovation of a classroom block in Padé district. The firm's complaint alleges the sole bidding process was irregular and violated PPDA principles. The construction company's financial documents may have been falsified or manipulated. Assets such as land and machinery were allegedly overvalued. Political interference may have influenced the tender. Fresh bidding should be conducted following an investigation. In this situation, Dr. Toh is acting as an anti-corruption advocate, representing concerned residents and challenging a procurement process they believe is fraudulent. B. Past cooperative funds allegation. That's June 2024. In June 2024, a Nansana TV post circulated online claiming that Dr. Dongoto was implicated in a Uganda shilling 164 billion cooperative corruption scandal. Referencing the Mwine Mpaka report, it further alleges that his law firm took 30% of cooperative money. Important correction. There is no verified evidence that Dr. Dongoto ever corrupted, stole, or mismanaged cooperative funds. There is no court ruling, no official investigative conclusion, and no authoritative documentation confirming these accusations. These claims appear to originate entirely from social media, partially from the same Nansana TV page that has repeatedly posted negative or misleading content about Otto. In political interpretation, given the repetition and nature of the post, combined with the lack of credible evidence, it is reasonable to conclude that Nansana TV may have been created or is being used as a political tool to attack, tarnish, or undermine Dr. Odonga Otto. This aligns with its misrepresentation of its position on the Bobi Wine incident, promotion of unverified corruption allegations, pattern of adversarial content targeting his public reputation. Conclusion: a balanced assessment. The available information paints a picture of a political figure navigating both legitimate advocacy and persistent public smearing. Dr. Otto, as an anti-corruption actor, his PPDA protest demonstrates active involvement in exposing procurement irregularities and demanding transparency. Dr. Otto is a target of political attacks. Nansan TV's post, both about the Gulu violence and the cooperative scandal, are inconsistent with verified facts and may be deliberately crafted to damage his reputation. No evidence of cooperative corruptions. The allegation of his involvement in the Uganda shilling 164 billion cooperative scandal remains unsubstantiated, circulated only through social media without any official backing. Heightened political tensions. The back and forth narratives, misinformation, and contradictory messaging reflect the polarized nature of Uganda's political environment, especially around high-profile opposition figures. You must remember, Nansana TV posted 4 years ago, falsely accusing Odonga Otto about cooperative money. Odonga Otto clarified with official court document that he was just rewarded some percentage. And again, a very clear lie that everyone in Acholi knows that Dr. Odonga Otto did not celebrate the blockage of Bobi Wine. All this will be here as we watch the political conditions heat up ahead 2026. Thank you.